Hello everyone, welcome to the workshop vlog episode 5. Obviously I'm not in the workshop this week. I've been fairly busy doing some cycling and things outside, so I thought I'd bring you the workshop vlog out here rather than in the workshop. Thank you to all of those people who did join the live stream on Instagram at 3 PM. I'm hoping to do one of those every 2 weeks, and then I'll do one when I reach 1,000 followers on Instagram. So I've been working really hard on Woodturners Blend the past few weeks. I'm hoping to get that launched within the next month. It's my wax finish and I'm really excited to share it with you. It's a hard wearing, glossy finish that will be used on wood turned pieces. I'm hoping to release some more information and a video on that in the next couple of weeks. I've just started an Instagram account as well for Woodturners Blend, so I'll link that in the description of this if you would like to go and give that a follow. I've just started a woodworking beginner series, as I think in this time a lot of people have started woodworking and I might not necessarily know what to get and what tools and things you might need. So I started that course in the aim to help beginner woodworkers. So the first episode focused on tools mostly. The second episode will focus on materials and consumables. So that's things like glue, finishes, all of those kind of things. Episode 3 should be a project either using one 2x4 or it'll be a bird box. I haven't decided yet. And episode 4 will be one of the other ones. So it'll either be the 2x4 or the bird box, depending on which order I do them in. I'm hoping to do a video using only one turning tool, which will be a round scraper, and making a really nice bowl on that. Because I think that'd be quite cool and show that you actually don't need a lot of tools and expensive equipment as most people think. In terms of upcoming projects, I've got the pallet wood bowl coming out in the next few days. I've got the second episode of the woodworking beginner series and the third one to come. After that we'll have a look at what videos I'm going to be doing. So some of you follow me on Instagram, but not everyone knows that I have an Instagram, so I'm going to link that in here. But I also have a Pinterest where I share a lot of my ideas and inspiration for things. I also have a Facebook and a website. The website has 1 or 2 blogs on it. And I think that's quite interesting as it allows me to say a lot more on a page where you can read it and it's a bit more informative. So I'm going to be doing some pen turning as I've had a few requests for pen turning and I also really want to try pen turning. I've never done pen turning before, but I think it'd be something quite cool to try. It's a little bit more difficult in terms of you need a few specialist tools, so I will have to buy a couple of things, but once I've got that sorted, I'm hoping to turn a Panga pen and maybe a Paduke pen and probably an oak pen as well. So I hope you look forward to seeing that happen on this channel. The giveaway is still open till the 3rd of July at midnight, so if you'd like to enter that, the video is called 100 subscriber giveaway, and I'd really appreciate if you go and enter that, as that helps me out, and also you get something back from it as well. So I've been doing a couple of things in the workshop, as in I've given it a really good clean because there was a lot of sawdust about, so I'll put a few clips in here of me doing some things in the workshop. So it's Tuesday evening and I've just written out what I was wanting to do this week. I usually do this on Monday but I forgot yesterday, so I thought I would give you a quick look at what I need to do. So I wanted to try turning a bowl using a log and actually doing all of the machining up. So I'm going to get a log, then I'll slice it into a thinnish section, then I'll rough turn it and let it dry by putting it in some sawdust or something like that. And then in a couple of months' time, I'll turn that again, finish it, colour it and do all of those sorts of things. So that video will probably take me 2 or 3 months to actually make, but I just thought I would let you know that that is in the works and I'm working on doing that video very soon. So I've got some epoxy, as you may have seen, and I made an epoxy resin organiser, but I haven't actually used any of the resin yet, so I'm going to try and make a project using resin and never having used it before, so I'm going to try and work all the way up from never using it all the way to making a really nice project. I'm hoping eventually to turn a bowl, and I thought it'd be quite cool if I could use grass clippings and encase it in resin to make a bowl, as I thought I haven't seen anything like that on YouTube and I think that'd be really creative. So this workshop vlog series is basically intended to help you see what I'm doing in the workshop, give you a bit of an insight into what happens every week. But I feel at sometimes that people want to see other things, so if you want to see something different than this workshop vlog, let me know. I'm happy to film the vlogs outside in nature all the time, I'm happy to film them in the workshop all the time. This week I couldn't really be in the workshop because I was very busy, hence why it's being brought to you outside, but that beginners series on woodworking will focus more on helping other woodworkers get into the hobby which is woodworking, and it's a fantastic hobby. But this workshop vlog's intended for people who already do a bit of woodworking and just want to know what I'm getting up to. So if you have anything you want me to talk about, tell me in the comments section below and I'll do my best to include that. So I hope you've enjoyed this workshop vlog. It's not as long as some of them, but hopefully it gives you a bit of an insight into what's happening this week and in the next coming weeks. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing it out in the great outdoors. Thanks for watching, guys.